Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing of the TP-Link 150 Mbps wireless Nano USB adapter. So here we have the box and it is written that it has 3-year warranty, and on the right hand side we have the package contents, which includes a quick installation guide and a resource CD and some compatibility certifications in here. And in the back we have the manufacturing date and the import export details, and also the MRP. It is written 1149 rupees. So I bought this for 490, which includes shipping, so that is like 50% off. But well, in electronic devices and stuffs we cannot really rely on the MRPs. And we have some specifications of this thing and also the dimensions. And on this side we have a barcode in here to get more information on, and it is written plug in and forget, but I don't think this is a plug in and forget kind of thing, because you have to install that CD. So unboxing this thing, we are treated with another box with the USB adapter in a plastic casing, and opening this we are treated with the resource CD and one booklet, quick installation guide. So it's a pretty long, pretty huge, I would say, booklet. And yes, so this is the USB adapter, and it is gold plated. It feels really good quality, but I'm not sure about the quality of this plastic thing. I think there is the antenna in here, but I'm not sure. So if you have any queries, comment below, and like the video if you like it, and dislike the video if you dislike it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And yes, thanks for watching. See you again in the next one. Bye bye.